What does it mean when someone puts their name, they, and them on a name tag? What a great question. Thanks for asking me. I got this question from a friend the other day and I just wanted to share an explanation. A name tag lets you know how you can refer to that person in a respectful way. Usually a name tag includes the person's name that they would like you to call them. Some event organizers encourage people to put their pronouns on their name tags also. This is just another option for how to refer to that person if you're talking about them. For example, people put he, him, she, her, or they, them on name tags, sometimes other words that are also pronouns. If someone has he, him on a name tag, that would mean if you talk about that person, you would say, he's over there, that's his bag. If someone has she and her on a name tag, you would say, she's over there, that's her bag. And similarly, if someone puts they and them on a name tag, you would say, they are over there, that's their bag. It's very similar. You can also use the person's name to refer to them. You can say, Ray is over there, that's Ray's bag. Always an option. You might wonder, should I put pronouns on my name tag? Perhaps you are used to people calling you she or he. You're not used to having to inform people how to refer to you. They just assume something about you. And that can be fine. It is also something that you can do as an ally to trans people, to put your pronouns such as he, him, or she, her, or whatever your pronouns are on your name tag, even if you are not transgender. This can make it feel a little bit more normal. It can feel uncomfortable to be the only person in the room to have something like that on a name tag. Even if you don't feel like you need those words on your name tag for people to refer to you correctly, it can be something you can do to support other people. Another question that often comes up is, why would someone use they and them? So there's a lot of different reasons, just like there's so many different people. The most common reason I've heard is just that he or she doesn't feel so good. It doesn't feel right. People might start using they and them because a friend refers to them in that way, and then they think, oh, that feels right. That expresses something about me. That's the best language that I have right now to share who I am with the world. You don't need a reason to refer to someone respectfully in the way they ask you to refer to them. So if you see someone's name and they and them on a name tag, go ahead and refer to them using they if you're talking about them. If you don't feel comfortable saying they and them yet, you might want to practice, but for the short term, you can just use the person's name. Don't switch it out. Don't use he or she because that feels more comfortable to you, because it feels more uncomfortable to the person you're talking about. So I'm glad you're curious about what they and them means on a name tag. Hopefully this has answered your question. I'm glad to see that people are interested in speaking about other people respectfully. Hope you have fun at your next event with name tags.